Hello everybody, Stuart from Content Villain here, back with another video. And today's video I want to go over something that we've been working on, something that I want to show you. It's not live yet, but it will be soon. And it takes forward our goal to put this technology in your hands and give you the power to really use it in the way that you see fit. And we sort of did this before when we had the lab and what we were trying to do there, but this is going to be an evolution of that. So what we're going to have, this is my test environment, so don't think that this is live yet. What we're going to have a button here, which is DIY custom models, so do it yourself custom models. When you click this model, what you're going to have is you're going to have a playground like this. Now, some of you will have played with some of these AI providers directly, and you may see that this looks fairly similar to something that you'll find on, OpenAI or AI 21 or any of the other ones on the market. But I thought it would be beneficial to provide something like this within Content Villain and to give you the power to really create stuff yourself. And by creating stuff yourself, you'll be able to toggle the different stuff like the temperature, the top P, the output length, and put a stop sequence on it. And we're going to add tooltips to give you a bit of an overview, because some people will be getting all of this and understanding it and geeking out on it and nerding out on it. We love that. And for some people, this will be totally new. But we really think that as this technology gets more common and as it gets better and better, it's going to be more easy for everyone to use it. So by giving you the power and giving you the tools that you need to start thinking about how you create these yourself, it's going to be better for everyone. And when you create models within this playground environment, we're going to give you the tools where you can save it to your account so you can see it when you're actually creating a document and using the models. Your saved models will appear there. You'll also be able to choose whether you want these models to appear publicly or whether you want them to go on the marketplace. So this is sort of the evolution of what we wanted to do, and it's definitely coming. And we're also going to have presets. So we're going to have basic sort of model prompts, which you can load through and you can see, and you'll be able to tweak these to your need. Like, for example, this is a very basic product description model, which is for action figures and tabletop gaming. And you'll see that I've given it two examples. There is one input, the second input, and then we've got the output. And again, we've got one input, the second input, and then we've got the output here. So that is very simple. And then we have the third one, which will be sort of where we have the model. We have the one input, we have the second input, and then we have the output, which is going to be here. Now, I see a lot of movement towards this way of working, but another thing that we wanted to do is to sort of like democratize this and make it easy for everyone, is make it so you can choose the technology that you want to use. One of the advantages that we do with Content Villain over some other people in the field is we give you the power to use different technology because we're using all the technology. We don't stay completely loyal to one because that doesn't give you the best output. And some of them are better than others. Some of them have stricter approval processes, and some of them have different filters, and that's a pain, because if you're doing something, in fantasy writing where there might be like violence or gore, or even, writing for products which might be a bit out there but are perfectly legal, then there should be no filters. So this playground works without filters. We're using an open source model for this. But once you have the model created here, we will give you the option to choose which technology you want to run it with, which I think is going to be super cool. So this is just a start. I just wanted to make this quick video to sort of go over the thoughts and the feedback on what we're trying to do here. We're definitely going to be creating a lot of content around this and how to sort of get this out, because I think really with creating this stuff and giving you the power to create your own models, it puts everyone in a much more better step than before, because ultimately we can create as many models as we want ourselves and give you access to, but the power really comes when you have something where you're using your own data and your own sort of systems. So this is a way to play with a prompt and get it the way you want it. We'll also be looking at creating something for datasets later down the road. Dataset is more when you're looking at sort of over 1 million characters in a sequence. So, for example, you might have title details output, but you have this like 10,000, 20,000 times to get that million characters, and then you're going to get a better output than ever before. But this is just a start. It's just something that I share. Let me know your thoughts. I'm excited to sort of go down this route, and I think it's a strong way to go. And yeah, hopefully we'll have this live within the next couple of days. Thank you.